Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly today. This is a cloudy day with a new merch shirt. As you can see, in Odin we trust. If you love Vikings and if you like the films and so on, this is our own design. So, special treat for bikers. Alright, so what I'm about to take you today is for a ride with a new helmet. This time it's gonna be a Nolan. Alright, and another bike which I'm gonna treat you with. So join me and let's look at the new helmet. Let's unbox it, let's unpack it, and obviously don't forget to get our new shirt, which is pretty rad. So guys, Nolan, more than just a helmet, okay? MotoGP official helmet, and you guys can see the model today is this beautiful, very big visor, classic N70-2 GT. Alright, in L size. Let's unbox it. Check it out. Innovative box. Okay, inside we have the helmet and the visor. No, that's the roof. Okay, let's get it unpacked, unboxed. Perfect. Alright, so looks very good. Look, the quality looks very cool. Let's get it open. You can see here it says N70 ready, probably. Okay, there we go. This is the official weight and the size, and you guys can see it's just over 1.5 kilograms. Made in Italy by Nolan Group. Very beautiful. Okay, check it out. Alright, so very big visor, very beautiful helmet, and it says Lexan polycarbonate, probably intercom ready. Okay, let's get this screen off. So remember, this is our new merch. Looks very, very good. And let's get it out. You can see the visor is huge in this helmet. Okay. It says here different possible configurations. You can open helmet. You can use a nice adventure-like helmet here. You got the roof included. Okay, it's got a 5-year guarantee. Ready for emergency stop signal, so you can actually add this additional light to your helmet. Okay, 2 outer shields, ultra wide visor, pin lock ready, vision protection system, air booster technology, and obviously ready for communications. Okay, so let's open it up, and it says here with removable protective chin guard. Okay, on obviously. No to co, słuchajcie, czas troszkę pojeździć po mieście. So, let's go for a city ride this time, guys. So guys, a bit of city riding today, and as you can see, this is the brand new Nolan I'm testing. So what are my words about it? Okay, so this is a helmet of a high quality. It meets many requirements. It's more expensive, but it's worth the price. So first of all, I can say the advantage: the huge visor. You basically feel as if you're not wearing a helmet, guys. So this is definitely an advantage. Then I'm gonna show you how to strip this helmet up and make the different types of helms, and it's possible with this one. Now, what about the vents? The venting is adequate. You can see here it actually has regulations, so the more you want it, open up or close it up. All right, it's pretty quiet. It's a very cool design. It's of high vis, it's white. The size in this case is L, and you can see this is in fact not very heavy, so this is definitely an advantage of this helmet. All right, what more? Well, you have this huge visor which can be lifted. I'm gonna show it to you later on. Okay, here's another vent that you can open and close. So let me just grab the thumb, and in fact the lining is very fine. It's washable. You can see you can remove it. Now this is quite innovative, this lock and click mechanism, although I had to get used to it, because not only you have to lift it up here, but you also need to lift up the spring, as in this case, to get it open. Okay, so this may be a bit tricky at first, but you get used to it. Okay, an additional thing is this automated sun visor, which actually you can put up very quickly. So to put it down, you slide your hand like this. Okay, and if you want to get rid of it, you just press the button here. So in fact it hides very quickly. So this is something really cool. Alright, the design I like. It's kind of a space-like appearance to it. Okay, space helmet. Here's an additional thing which makes the wind go away, and like a protection for your neck, so very cool. I'm not installing any kind of mods, but you can if you guys ride on trips and you like to hear somebody, or you ride in a group. You can install the intercom, or you wanna get your phone ready. I personally never use the phone while riding. I think riding is for fun, not for work. You don't want to call anybody while riding. Just want to enjoy the rides. All right. So this is something of a time away from my phone, in fact. Not that I want to talk to anybody. Alright, so pretty cool. Kochani, jak widzicie, ten kask no, ma niesamowity wizjer, olbrzymie pole widzenia, regulacje, regulowane tutaj przepusty powietrza, wentylacja jest super, na dole także. Co jeszcze? No to zapięcie jest nieco ciekawsze, dlatego że oprócz klikania musisz to podnieść, żeby otworzyć, więc to troszkę trzeba się przyzwyczaić do tego. Co jeszcze? No fajna sprawa, a mianowicie tutaj ten wizjerek, może podniosę, żeby było widać. O! Jeszcze raz. Ok, opuszczamy, a żeby schować, wystarczy kliknąć tutaj i się od razu to chowa. To jest super sprawa. Bardzo wygodny kask, niezbyt ciężki, no nieco drogi, więc to jest zdecydowany minus, aczkolwiek jakość elegancka. Dobra. Nie wolno, nie wolno. Trzeba być grzecznym królem.